How to make Americano in good coffee, great coffee. So the recipe is simple as it's one of the most basic stuff you can make in the game. So it consists of 2 parts of espresso and 7 parts of hot water. So once you have the recipe in mind, all you have to do now is start making your Americano. So first we're gonna have to go and make our espresso. The only difference is we're gonna use a mug for all the hot drinks. So this is a hot drink, so we're gonna have to use this mug instead of the small one. So go ahead and drag your portafilter to the grinder and press on hold until it's perfect. 6 sticks. Put it back on the coffee machine and press on the button. Make sure the line stops on the green bar in order to have a perfect filter. So once that's done, you're gonna have to grab and drop the mug over here to the box, tap on the hot water and hold on the mug. So once you hold the hot water into the mug, it should fill up real quick and you should be able to serve your Americano. So if this video helps you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.